Okay, kinsa man magpustahan ay. Come on, let's go. Kanay mong tapat, sugalina. Ladies and gentlemen, let us walk from the Lord in 3, 2, 1. It's over! Yay! It's another baby boy for the Olano family. Alright. So, kung sa mga